Sustainability, very simply, is how to prolong the value of any particular thing, whether it's an actual object or an energy or a feeling. And so allowing that to sustain for an extended period, and even maybe taking it so far as to allowing it to exist several generations down the road. I run across a lot of people who have just put up with certain situations in their lives, in their homes, simply because they didn't know that there were other options.
Give me an example.
And I believe we have a picture of it.
Okay.
There's a spiral staircase that was built in a house that was built in 1880 in Hartford.
We're looking at it right now.
Yes. So this is the rebuilt version. And what happened in this particular case, the laundry facilities for this two-family home were down in the basement. And the staircase that was there looked like an M.C. Escher optical illusion. I could not figure out structurally, engineering-wise, how it was still standing.
How was it functionable for the person who lived there?
They had just become so accustomed to the third step, you have to step over here, otherwise the tread will flip over and you'll go tumbling down. And the fourth step, you have to actually hold onto the stone wall there. So she finally, through a friend, heard that I would be willing to rebuild things without using too many resources. And so in that photo, you can actually see that the original treads, we actually use the original treads, which we don't grow wood like that anymore. You cannot find that at any of the supply locales these days. So simple rebuilding of a staircase, that the occupants of that home can actually get down to do their laundry more readily, safely, and it works out energetically for them that their experience of having clean clothes is all the more enjoyable.
We have another photo.
So here, the structure of the deck was perfectly fine. The deck boards that had been in service for over 15 years were showing their age, wear and tear, several coats of stain and paint which were failing. It looked horrible. There were some soft spots. And so by using a new product, a green product, a composite, which is a mixture of sawdust and binders and also some plastic, some recycled milk jugs, we were able to redo the entire deck in a somewhat economical way. But the best part is that the homeowner only has to power wash that deck every 3 or 4 years. The name of my business is cloverNINE Green Building. And we do co-create comforting and fulfilling spaces for people who want to trust.
Thank you so much, John Powers.